Hello grade 1 again in a new lesson. Today we will start with lesson number 6. What are sounds around us? First of all, I want to ask you a question. If you are outside on the street, what sounds do you hear? I will give you time to answer me. Yes, excellent student. You can hear the car sounds, people sounds, truck sound, ambulance sound, police car sounds. You can hear music sounds. So if you go outside, you can hear a lot of sounds, right? First of all, you might hear the sirens. Who heard the siren sound before? If you don't know the siren sound, let's hear with me the siren sound, please. Okay, grade 1, you hear with me now the siren sound? Yes, who used the siren sound? Excellent, the policeman. The policeman used the siren sound, and the ambulance also used the siren sound and tell us be careful, right? Now, grade 1, you might hear the honks. If you don't know the sound of honks, let's hear with me the sound of honks. So, you hear with me now the sound of honks? Excellent. Now, all of you know the beep sound, right? Your daddy used it, right? Beep, beep. Let's hear with me the sound of beep. So grade 1, honks, beeps and sirens tell us to be careful, right? Police car tell you be careful, and beep and honks also tell you be careful. So all of these sounds tell us to be careful, right? Now grade 1, all of you know the airplanes, right? Okay, what makes the sound in the sky? Airplanes make the sound in the sky, right? Who hears the sound of the airplane in the sky? Okay, now hear with me the sound of airplanes in the sky. So grade 1, this is the sound of the aeroplanes in the sky. So aeroplanes make sound in the sky, right? Excellent, grade 1. Now grade 1, also in the natures we have a lot of sounds. Who can tell me what sound do you hear when you go for a walk in the nature? Okay, you can hear the tree sounds, you can hear the animal sounds, the water sounds. So many things in the nature make sounds too, right? Now grade 1, we will see the sound in the nature. First sound in the natures, look at the pictures to know what is the first sound in the natures. Look at these pictures. What sounds might you hear? This is bird, right? What is the sound of birds? You can hear the bird chirping, right? You want to hear the birds chirping with me? Let's hear. So it is a nice sound, right? So also you can hear the birds chirping in the nature, right? Okay, grade 1. What else can you hear in the nature? The picture. This is the picture of what? This is the picture of a loud crash of thunder. Okay, so also you can hear the loud crash of thunder. Okay, you want to hear with me the crash of thunder? Hear with me. Now grade 1. If you go to the beach, what can you hear? Okay, you can hear the crashing sound of waves. Yes, so if I ask you, what can you hear when you go to the beach? You answer me, I can hear the crashing sound of the waves. Now, hear with me the crashing sound of the waves. So, this is the sound of the crashing sound of waves. Okay, grade 1? Now, grade 1, if you go to the park, what can you hear in the park? You can hear the leaves rustle in the wind. Yes, you can hear the sound of the leaves rustle in the wind. Now, hear with me the sound of the leaf rustle in the wind. So, this is the sound leaves rustle in the wind, okay? Now, we have sound are really loud and sound are really soft. For example, the sound of the police car, it is really loud, and the sound of the crash of the thunder, it is also loud. The sound of beep and honks also, it is loud. Okay, now, also grade 1, what sounds are nice and soft? Look at the pictures. We have a lot of pictures show for you the sounds are nice and soft. Like what? Like bird chirping, like also crashing sound of waves or water, and also like what? Yes, like rustle of the leaves, right? Excellent, grade 1. Okay, now, what sound might you hear in your neighborhood? You can hear your neighborhood shouting, or TV sound, or children sound, or you can see music sound from your neighborhood, so you can hear a lot of sound from your neighborhood, right? Now please open up your workbook on page 97. Question number 1. Read each sentence. Do you think it's true? Do you think it's not true? Circle the word or words after each sentence that tell you what you think. Number 1. Honks and Peep tell you to be careful. Yes, true. Honks and Peep tell you be careful, right? Okay, number 2. Fire trucks and police car make a loud sound. Excellent, true. Fire truck and police car make the loud sounds. Number 3. You can hear sounds in nature. Yes, you can hear sounds in nature. Like what? Like the falling water sound, right? So, question number 1, true. Question number 2, true. Question number 3, true. All true. Now, open next page. Complete the sentence. Write the word that completes each sentence. Honk, crashing, sirens, chirping. Number 1. Car horns. What? Excellent. Honk. Car horns honk. Number 2. Birds make what sound? Excellent. Birds make chirping sounds. Number 3, fire truck have a loud what? Excellent, sirens. Number 4, the ocean makes what sound on the rocks? Crashing, yes. So number 1, honk. Number 2, chirping. Number 3, sirens. Number 4, crashing. Now go to the last question down. Question number 5. Write if the thing in each picture makes a loud sound or a soft sound. First picture, butterfly. Butterfly make a loud sound or soft sound? Excellent, butterfly make a soft sound. What about lion? Loud or a soft sound? Excellent, lion make a loud sound. Bus, when make beep, make what? Loud or soft sound? Excellent, loud sound. Okay, listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.